Hello, hello! Welcome to Team Goodman. So that's our fur baby Sasha loves to be on top of our air garden because it's very, very cold here right now. And she's enjoying being here most of the time because it's probably been hot there because of the air garden lights. And I'm fond of taking videos of her because it's like collection of memories with our fur baby.